everyone, I'm Angelina and this is Blueprint DIY, where we remake our clothes to be just as unique as us. I am currently in Chicago and I am trying to do a mini haul, a bonus video for you guys, because I went out with my best friend yesterday and we were just gonna take a dance class, but we did a little shopping. We found a Crossroads. No, that doesn't say Crossroads, does it? Crossroads. And I was super excited because I know that you guys think that like I only shop at the low, but I don't. I actually, you know, like shopping at stores like that from time to time. So I wanted to come by and show you guys what I found. And the first thing is like, because I'm a sneakerhead at heart, I don't buy a whole lot of brand new sneakers, but when I find them for reasonable prices, I do like to get them. So I got some Nike Air Maxes and I just really like this colorway. I have a really bright sweatshirt in this color, so these were $28 and they're in really good condition, so I got those. And I also found this Henry Bendel backpack that I thought was super cute. Of course, this is one of my favorite colors, and I really like the stripes across. And I haven't had a really good like cute backpack in a while, and so this was $37.50. And I looked online and like their mini backpacks are like $98, but their backpacks about this size are like $278. So that was a good find. And I found this sweater, and I think in one of the couple videos ago I asked like, can you have too many cream sweaters, and some of you guys said no, you can absolutely not have too many cream sweaters. So I'm glad you guys feel that way, because I got another cream sweater. And this is by, oh crap, I'm gonna put it up against the screen. I know I'm being silly because I can't pronounce that, but you know, you guys know. And it's a cream sweater, super oversized, but I like the poofy sleeves at the end, so I'm really excited to wear that. And lastly, I got, oh, I didn't say how much the sweater was. The sweater was $16.50. And lastly, I got these really cool earrings, and they have like a gold top part and then a little almost like a concrete or marble ball at the end. And these were $12.50. So I'm really excited I found all these things. And then last night after we got back, I realized that I packed at the last minute, and I realized that I didn't bring any dresses or anything to wear to church. So we're on our way to Savers right now. All right, so we are at Savers. I am with my mini me, and I have found a few dresses. I'll show you guys in the dressing room, but she's looking in her section with her very festive sweater on. Okay, so I am in the dressing room, and actually the music is probably as quiet as I've ever heard it in here. My hair is starting to fall because my sister had on the heat in the car. You can't go without heat in Chicago. But anyway, yes, I have on a Ralph Lauren pajama top and some jeans and these boots I found here at Savers last year, which were on my wish list. So, but I am about to try on everything I got. I found this super, I think I found a bunch of vintage stuff. This red dress, a fully sequenced dress, this amazing coat, and this little velvet jumpsuit thing. And then I also found some other things over here that I am about to go crazy trying on. So let's get started. Okay, so I have on the blue and burgundy hat, and this is, you have to read it because I can't see, $7.99. And this is it's a blue jumpsuit with velvet at the top. Please don't look at my feet, they're so ashy. And the the shoulder pads, it has shoulder pads. This one I have on correctly, and this one I have pushed to the back to see what it will look like if I took the shoulder pads off. So this is look number 1. Sleeves are too short, which I'm used to, and it definitely needs a belt. It needs to be belted in some kind of way, but we'll see. So this is the red dress. It's very vintage dress. I like the ruffles, and I especially like it with the boots. It has massive shoulder pads. So this one, like I said, is back, so I can see what it looks like without shoulder pads, and this one is forward, so you can see what it looks like with the shoulder pads, which makes it look lopsided. But at any rate, this is what it looks like. I love that the sleeves kind of push up on the arms. Oh, and it has the buttons. It has buttons all the way up the back, which I can't do on my own, so Gabrielle did a couple of them for me. Everybody can touch their back. I mean, I don't feel like doing it because it takes too long. This is so cute.
You have shoulder pads on?
Yes, it
I don't like the shoulder pads.
Oh, wait.
They're ruffly.
Huh?
They look ruffly. I can see them.
Well, I'll take them out. Like, those will come out. But this really makes me look like
when it's
like jam in the heart of it's truly outrageous.
Maybe we should shift that one down.
Damn.
Yeah. Because that one looks good. And then that one, it just looks like
So here's this dress. I have it on with the boots again, which makes it look better. But like my big girl said, it would look better if it looked like this. It would be killer if it were like this. But it's a size 22. I just wanted to put it on because it's sequins. So much sequin. But it still has the tags on from like 1922. I mean, like, that would be so good. Like, oh, you're gonna have to take all the beads off in the places where you didn't need it first, because you can't sew over any of them. Oh, that would be amazing. It's gorgeous though. It's gorgeous. Maybe if it's still here on half price day on Monday. Okay, so I literally have no words for this coat. The only problem is that, you know, it's $30, which is a steal for this, but I have like 50 million coats, and wintertime is like 2 seconds in Houston. So it's not practical at all. So I'm not sure what I am going to do. Yeah, I'm just not sure, but I will let you guys know that I am going to get the jumpsuit, and I need to look for a belt that may look good on that. I am not getting the sequins, not because I can't take it in, I just don't feel like it. And I am definitely getting the red dress, and I am getting the hat, and I am getting the backpack, and I am getting the black shoes, and I'm not sure about the gloves. What do you guys think I should do? I'm not sure if I should get the gloves or not. It's not even half off day. Like, this is ridiculous. But look, this is how we rationalize things. But I saved so much money by shopping out the outlet in Houston. I should be able to treat myself. Whatever. Anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this bonus video for Christmas. I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I'm really excited about Saturday's video. You don't want to miss it. It's gonna be awesome. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.